equations. We have run the discriminant of the functions, the turning point, how to draw the graph. We have done each and everything. So today we have to just go into the practice session. We have first question. He says that find the value of the k for which the line y is equal to kx plus 3 is a tangent to the curve. First of all, tell me what does it mean by the tangent to the curve? Anyone?
Meets the curve at only one point.
Yes, it means that, for example, if you have this is a quadratic curve, so there is a line that touches this curve at a single point. Means the solution between the intersection provided between the curve and a line is a single point. All right. So first of all, we have to find the intersection point. So how we can find it? We have to take the quadratic equation 2x square plus 4x plus k minus 1 must be equal to kx plus 3 because both are equal to y. So obviously they are equal to each other as well to find the intersection point. Let's see how to simplify them. We will get 2x square plus 4x. It will be minus kx plus k minus 1 minus 3 is equal to 0. Now I'm going to get 2x square. Take x as a common. You will get 4 minus k into x plus 4 minus k minus 4 is equal to 0. So I'm going to get the standard form of the quadratic equation. Now we have to find the value of the k. Obviously, we have two variables x and k. We cannot simplify them. So we have to think about a little bit different. He says that this equation is a tangent to the curve. Tangent to the curve, I just told you, it means that we are going to be getting the solution between the graph and the tangent line is going to be a single point. So can anyone tell me what will be the discriminant of this equation?
It would be equals to 0.
Yes, so we are going to be getting a single solution where your discriminant is going to be equal to 0. So this means that the discriminant of this equation is going to be 0. We have to take that b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0. So I'm going to be get b value is 4 minus k whole square minus 4 a c is equal to 0. Now we will simplify them. We have a square that is 16 square minus 2ab means 2 times 4 is 8 k plus k square minus 4 times 2 is 8. 8 multiplied by k that will be 8k. 8 multiplied by 4 that will be
32.
32. Minus from minus plus 32. So I'm going to get the k square minus 8k minus 8k minus 16k 16 plus 32 that will become 48 is equal to 3. So look at here, we have to take a discriminant. I am going to be get a new quadratic equation, and this quadratic equation is going to be totally in terms of k. When it's going to be totally in terms of k, it's a simple quadratic equation. You can solve it by any method. If factorization is possible, you can solve it by factorization method. You can do it by the midterm, by the completing square, and you can use a quadratic formula as well. I'm going to be use a quadratic formula. The quadratic formula we have x is equal to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So substitute the value x is equal to minus into minus 16 plus minus square root b square means minus 16 square Y is 4, A is 1, C is 48. Divided by 2x. Yes, everyone, we use the calculator and find the two different values of x.
Okay, x will be equals to 4 and 12.
Not x for you, my bad. It is not x.
Yes, it's k, that's
Okay,
all.
yeah.
I, yeah,
We have variable k. Yes, k is equal to
4 and 12.
4 and 12. So for value of k is equal to 4 and value of k is equal to 12 in both equation in both types, the this equation will be the tangent of the curve. Yes, everyone. Any question till here? Yes, चलिए Ashraf, Amazon sir, Raf Ahmed.
Okay.
10 minutes left.
Yes.
Right. Now I'm just going to give you one question. Yes, everyone. All of you, please do this one. He says that find the value of the k for which the line y is equal to x minus 3. Intersect the curve this at two distinct points. Okay. In the previous one, we have a tangent. So I will take the discriminant is equal to 0. And here he says that you have a two distinct points. It means that discriminant will be anyone? In which situation you will get two distinct points, two
It's greater
solutions.
than or equal to 0.
Not only the greater than 0. For equal to 0, you are getting single solution. It is greater than 0. Yes, everyone,
Okay.
please do it by yourself. Otherwise, I will do. Yes, yes, when done it, please send the picture. Yes, everyone, if you have done, please send the picture. And if you are going to be stuck in this question, just let me know so I will do it.
Yes, Mister, I sent it.
All right. Where the equal sign goes. And what you have done,
Yes, Mister.
what you have done here.
B squared minus 4 AC.
So write it what you are doing.
Okay.
I'm just thinking that how this equation will become this one. This is the equation. Now you are taking the discriminant
Yes.
and you have to take the discriminant is greater than zero. Now you have to make it equation. You have to suppose it. You're doing very direct steps. You have to take it equal to zero. You have to solve the equality. You have to draw the graph here. The one point is 1/9 and 1. It is greater than 0,
Mister,
so means it is going to be upper
the
bound.
graph is will be marked.
No, it's
Yes,
-1, sorry. It's 1/9 and
minus
it's
one.
-1.
Since it's minus one, it will swap sides.
And when you have to take -1 as a common, so it must be -1 as well. So you cannot take a common. You are doing some mistake. Look at here, you need a positive sign, and here it is -10. So
Oh,
both will be
it's in
minus.
minus now. Yes.
So it will be -1. So it will be +1. So you will get k is less than or equal to 1 over 9 and k is greater than positive 1. By chance, your sign is going to be corrected. Otherwise, the mistake that you have done of the sign, automatically your whole question is going to be wrong.
Yes.
Oh, it's okay.
Okay, instead, this is the same questions as the worksheet, right? In the homework.
Yeah. Yes, Rahaf, Talia, Ashraf, have you done? Talia, Ashraf, and Rahaf Ahmed, have you done this question?
No, I'm still solving.
You're not able to do, I will do it. I will do them. Look at the screen. Right, now he says that find the value of the curve of which the line y is equal to x minus 3 intersect the curve y is equal to kx square, k square x square plus 5kx plus 1 at two distinct points. So first of all, I'm just going to be find their intersection point. So I'm going to be take these two equations are going to be equal to each other. So I'm going to be get kx square plus 5kx plus 1 would be equal to x minus 3. I'm solving these two simultaneous equations because I need to be find the intersection point. So it is k square x square plus 5kx. It is plus x minus x. It will become minus x plus minus 3 will become plus 3. So I'm going to be get k square x square 5kx. In both of them, I can take 5 as a common. Sorry, x as a common. So 5k minus 1 will be inside the bracket plus 4 is equal to 0. The, this is the quadratic equation we are going to be getting to the standard form. Now here he says that you have two distinct roots. So if you have two distinct roots, it means that we have a discriminant and discriminant is must be greater than 0. So we have b value that is 5k minus 1 whole square minus 4a that is k square c that is 4 is greater than 0. Now it will be a square means 5k square that will be 25 k square minus 2 times 5 is 10k b square that will be 1 square will be 1 minus 4 times 4 is 16 k square is greater than 0. Now 25k square minus 16 square here. Subtract them, you will get 9k square minus 10k plus 1 as it is greater than 0. Now it will be a quadratic inequality. We have then already done that how to solve the quadratic inequality. First of all, we are going to be suppose that we are converting the inequality into the equation. Now it's a simple quadratic equation. You can solve it by any method as you want. I'm going to do the midterm breaking. 9 multiplied by 1 is 9. So I need a pair. I'm going to make a pair minus 9 and minus 1. Because if you will multiply them, minus 9 multiplied by minus 1, it will be minus 9. If you will add them minus 9 minus 1, it will be minus 10. Now in the first two terms, we have to take 9k as a common. I will get k minus 1. In the next two terms, we have minus 1 as a common. Minus k will become plus k, plus 1 will become minus 1. Now we have both values. In both values, we have k minus 1 is common. And I will get 9k minus 1 is equal to 0. Yes, everyone. Any question till here? Yes, Salia Ashraf, Rahaf Ahmed, Ahmed Hamza, any question?
No.
Rahaf
No,
Ahmed,
it's unclear.
you are here. All right. Now the product of two values is equal to 0, so we will get k minus 1 is equal to 0, or we have 9k minus 1 is equal to 0. We will get k is equal to plus 1 and k is equal to 1 over 9. We have to solve the quadratic inequality, so let's draw the line. It's a positive a square graph, so the graph shape is like this. This point will be 1 over 9 and this is 1. And look at here, he says that you have to take the portion where this value is greater than 0. So the greater than 0 will be get the above the x-axis part. From here, I'm going to be get the inequality. All the values that are on the left side means k is lesser than 1 over 9. From here, we are going to be get that all the values that are greater than 1. So we'll get the inequality k is greater than 1. These are our final answers. So this is how you have to be solve the quadratic inequality. So basically, it is a single question. In this question, you must have to be know how to solve the simultaneous equations. You have to be know how the discriminant is going to be work. You must have to be know how to solve a quadratic equation, and you have the idea how to solve the quadratic inequality as well. Okay, and we have done all the things one by one. I'm going to give you one more question. Yes, everyone, please do this one. He says that find the equation of the constant k for which the line y is equal to 2x plus 1 is the tangent to the curve y is equal to 4xk plus kx plus k minus 2. So it will be a tangent one, okay? So you know that for the tangent, it means that you have one intersection point between the graph and the line. So it means that the discriminant is going to be equal to 0.
Zero.
Yes, everyone, please try this one. Yes, everyone, please do it faster. Let's see what it is. Yes, Simon Muhammad. Yes, can you please explain what you have done here? Talia Ashraf, can you hear
Yes.
me? Can you please
Yeah.
explain this step?
I expanded the terms.
If you have take the discriminant b square minus 4ac, it's a tangent, so is equal to 0. It means that you have k minus 2 whole square minus 4a b. You'll get k square minus 4k plus 4 minus 16k plus 16 multiplied by 3. Yes, I want 16 multiplied by t. You will get
48.
48 or 52.
Mr. You said 16 multiplied by 3.
Yeah,
48.
plus 48. Yeah, you will get k square minus 20k plus 4 plus 48 is 52 is equal to 0. And this equation values you have to say how you will get these values directly. Can you please explain? Means you will get the coefficient of k is going to be 1, the coefficient of k is minus 20, and it's 52. You have substitute the right values, but how you are able to find the direct values directly without solving it? You do
I
not
tried
solve.
solving it in calculator.
There are some basic steps you have to be sure it. How your answer is correct. Yes, any other one have done it?
Yes, Mr. I sent it to you.
Yes, Ahmed Muhammad.